In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import quiz questions from any website to Google Forms. Before you begin, make sure you have access to the Google form you will be working with. If you were given a template form, the first thing you should do is download it or make a copy of it into your own Google Drive. That way, you can edit freely without changing the original version. It also helps you keep everything organized in the right account and folder. Once you are ready, open Google Forms and go to the form you will be using. You should be looking at the form in edit mode, where you can add or change questions. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct form, because any changes you make will be saved automatically. Next, look toward the top area of the form editor and click the option that is highlighted in your interface. This is the area where you will choose where to access files or content connected to your Google account. After you click it, click the highlighted option again in the next view. These 2 clicks are simply guiding you into the file picker area, where Google lets you choose locations like recent files, your drive, or shared items. Now, inside the file picker, click on Recent. This view is useful if the form you need, or the file you are using to bring questions over, was opened or edited lately. It is often the fastest way to locate what you were just working on, especially if you have many folders. If you do not see what you need in Recent, click on My Drive. This takes you to the main storage area for your account, where your folders and files live. If you have made a copy of a form earlier, it is usually saved here. It can help to keep your form in a dedicated folder so it is easy to find later. Finally, if the form or file was provided by someone else, click on Shared with Me. This section shows items that other people have shared to your account, which is common for templates and classroom resources. Once you locate the correct item, you can proceed with your workflow from there. And that is all there is to it.